In this video, I will show you how you can create your own cartoon video. So, to create our own cartoon video, you should go on Play Store and type here Cartoon Video Maker app. You will see the first option, Make Joke of Creator. You should click on it. Then you have to install it. I have installed the app, so I am directly opening the app. You will see this type of screen. Then you have to select whatever character you want. You can edit that character, like you can wear it cap or whatever you want. You should edit it. Then after editing, you should click on the corner option next to shoot our video, cartoon video. Then select environment, whatever you want, like these. Many options are there. Then you have to click on start video shooting, the corner option, to start your shooting of video. Then you can move your character like this. You can move your character. You can make actions by clicking this option, and smiley, angry. Click on another option, another person, to make talk him. You can do your cartoon such like that. In such way you can do your own, you can make your own cartoon videos. Thanks friends for watching it, and please subscribe my channel for more such type of creative videos. Thank you.